Why does your scanner show the P2001 engine code? What does it mean? P2001 is a diagnostic trouble code for NOx adsorber efficiency below threshold bank 2. This engine code indicates that this means the selective catalytic reduction (SCR) system, which uses diesel exhaust fluid (DEF) to reduce NOx emissions in diesel engines, isn't functioning as efficiently as it should. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty oxygen or NOx sensors, NOx adsorber issues, mass airflow sensor problems, exhaust or intake leaks. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Mercedes-Benz, Honda Civic, Nissan Altima, and Chevrolet Silverado. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.